Hey guys, welcome back. What's up? I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete your account from TikTok. So in order to delete your account from TikTok, you need to follow this simple steps. So what here you need to do is open the TikTok application and log into your account. So next thing what you have to do is click on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then on this field you want to tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of your page. Then from a drop down list, simply click on settings and privacy. As you go to the settings and privacy section, click on account section from the list, and there you have these deactivation or deletion. Click that out. Next you have to select whether you want to delete or deactivate. Select it out, and then you also want to make sure to give a reason and click on the continue button. As you've done this, next what you have to do is you want to make sure to go ahead and continue, or you could just read the terms and continue. Enter in your password in order to confirm your identity, and that way you'll have successfully deleted your TikTok account. And that is how you'll be able to delete your TikTok account. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.